That. What is that sound? What's that? Because it's more speed related, it's not bump related. What is that sound? Okay, someone please help me find this noise, because it sounds like there's stuff rolling around in my room, but I can't figure out what it is. That. What is that sound? Is that the TPS that's broken off inside my room, flopping around and making noises? Is that what that is? And I've just never heard it before? Because that is terrible. What is this sound? That. Like, it sounds... It sounds like there's something flopping around inside my rim. Is that what a broken off TPS sounds like? Because I have one of those. And it is flopping inside the rim. Is this the sound it's always been making and I just have never heard it before because I've always had AC with the windows up? Because it goes away when I go faster. I'm so confused. Please help.